The MimioTeach system is portable and can be set up with a few simple steps, making this bar and stylus combination a simple yet powerful tool for teaching and learning. The MimioTeach portable interactive system takes traditional learning with an ordinary whiteboard to the next level, transforming it so that it's a dynamic and engaging experience. Using Mimio Studio classroom software, create fun and engaging activities in just minutes. Teachers can create interactive lessons using audio, video, images, websites, and more. Students will want to come to the board to present, collaborate, and share what they're learning. The MimioTeach has long been a favorite with teachers, making it one of Mimio's best-selling solutions by far. Bring educational technology innovation into the classroom with the MimioTeach interactive system. It will definitely take teaching and learning to the next level. MimioTeach comes with professional development options, including self-paced, virtual, and in-person. Our multi-award-winning offerings designed by EOS will help teachers learn how to best utilize the MimioTeach and Mimio Studio classroom software to maximize teaching and learning in the classroom. Part of the Mimio Connected Classroom, which is in a class of its own.